we're talking about Sikhism, or as I like to call it, the religion that everybody confuses with Islam. They are not Muslims. When it comes to the world's religions, the Sikhs are the youngest of the world's religions, and they're just slightly larger than Judaism. Guru Nanak. He was born in the Punjab region of Pakistan, and in that area there was a heavy influence of Islam and Hinduism. He was an enlightened individual, and he spent his life walking around teaching the things that he knows. From these teachings, a core belief system was laid. He gained many followers, what we know as Sikhism today, and let's dive into it. The first and most important core belief of Sikhs is this: Ek Onkar. It means there is one God. This God is formless, genderless, without beginning, without end, beyond description, and this is the only God. Guru Nanak is famous for saying there is no Hindu, there is no Muslim, meaning there are hundreds and hundreds of different paths, different ways that people believe, but they're all talking about the same source. The Sikhs believe that all religions are valid paths to God. They're like, there's no reason to fight. There's no reason to argue. We're all talking about the same thing. There's 1,000 different ways to build a house. Why are we arguing about the tools that we use?